Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rocket R58. Came into the shop because the blue boiler wasn't heating. It turned out that when I opened it up, the blue boiler safety switch was popped, and sometimes that can happen for various reasons, but after some further testing, we found that the group head was actually leaking. The mushroom valve, which is in the upper section of the group head, has a little gasket that blocks water from flowing into the lower section of the group head, unless it's through this little system of valves right here, so that the group head behaves as we expect it to. This one is really degraded. So what ended up happening was, with the water pressure from it being heated up, water was being pushed past the gasket and then down into the drain, and then causing the blue boiler to drain. The water volume decreased and it overheated, popping the safety switch. So we ended up doing a group head overhaul, including replacing that gasket. And here, as you can see, here we have, I accidentally plugged we have it at 197, and as you can see here, the steam is also working. So just gonna open this up, show steam, water, and then I'm just going to do a test shot. We don't have this machine dialed in. This is just our test coffee. This is just to demonstrate that the machine works as we expect. It makes a hot cup of espresso. All right. So as you can see, it's a little slow. I probably put a little bit too much coffee in the portafilter, but you were able to see that it was able to maintain pressure up to like 9 bars in the group head, and you see from the condensation that it's a hot cup of coffee. All right, thank you for watching.